Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great, and also my friends, I hope that you all are having a super happy, fantastic, positive, energetic and most importantly healthy life with your friends, with your family. So today's video is going to be very simple and short video because today I'll be sharing a very healthy, nutritious, high protein breakfast recipe with you all, which is absolutely delicious, and also it's a unique recipe. One day with rajma and eggs, I was doing some experiment and then I discovered this recipe, and this is very healthy and also power-packed protein breakfast recipe. And also my friends, I think those people who loves to start their day with eggs, they are going to love this recipe and they will find this recipe very helpful and very delicious. So now without wasting any time, let's straight go to the kitchen and start making today's nutritious, heart healthy and high protein breakfast recipe, which is absolutely good for weight loss. And one more time my friends, I'm welcoming you all in my kitchen. So here you can see I have organized everything on my kitchen countertop. So to make rajma omelette, first of all we'll need rajma. Here is my rajma and this is boiled. But now with help of spoon and my hand, I'll smash it. And here is 2 eggs. But you can use just 1 egg. But I'll be having 2 eggs today. And here is chopped spinach and then onion and tomatoes. And with this omelette, I'll be having 1 piece of bread, but you can skip that part. Some people loves to have bread, so I'll show you. And here a few spices. First of all, this is garlic powder, and this is turmeric powder, which is very good for our health, for their anti-inflammatory properties. And here is black pepper powder, and here is salt. And here in these 2 spoons, I have taken dhania powder because I just love the flavor of dhania powder, and little bit of oregano. But if you don't want to use these 2 masalas, you can skip it. So now without wasting any time, let's start making rajma omelette. And here in the first step, I'm going to add some peanut oil in my non-stick skillet. This is my very favorite skillet to make any kind of omelettes or pancakes. Now one by one I am adding chopped tomatoes and chopped onion into it. And then I'll give it a very good stir, and also I'll add just a little amount of salt. And after smashing it, my rajma looks like this. So in onion and tomato mixture, I'm going to add my rajma mixture. And then I'll give it a very good stir. So my friends, you can add whatever vegetables you want. You can add even carrot and cabbage too. Since my rajma is already boiled, so I don't need to cook it for longer period of time. It's already cooked and boiled properly. And here I am adding my spinach into it. I always love to have spinach, so I am adding it. And after cooking it for 2 minutes in low flame, here I am adding my garlic powder. I absolutely love the flavor of it. If you don't like, you can skip it. Here is little bit of turmeric powder and also black pepper powder. Again I am mixing it well. And here is my rajma masala filling is absolutely ready. So quickly I will start making the omelette. And here I have started beating the eggs. And after beating it really well, now I am adding little bit of dhania powder and just a little amount of oregano. And now my omelette is properly set from the bottom part. Now it's time to add this filling. So my friends, this is super rich in protein and heart healthy delicious recipe. You can add some cheese obviously, also coriander leaves, whatever vegetable, whatever herbs you want, you can add here. here is my rajma stuffed super healthy omelette is absolutely ready to eat. And here is my final breakfast platter looks like. I just want to quickly show you, my friends. So here is the delicious rajma omelette. The stuffing is just amazing. You can have it on top of your toast also, my friends. You can have it with some scrambled egg on top. So you can have this two combination rajma and eggs in so many different ways. So probably some other day I'll show you some other tricks. And here is my 2 pieces of brown bread. I mean one bread, I just cut it in 2 pieces. And here is watermelon, my all-time favorite summer fruits. And here is little bit of raisin, because after having this type of breakfast, I always love to have little sweet. So you already know in my previous weight loss video also, I have shared the tricks with you all that after having this kind of breakfast, you can have either dates or raisins for little sugar craving. So yeah, it's looking gorgeous. So that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed it. Very soon in my channel, I'll upload my full day diet plan for this summer special weight loss diet plan that is coming very soon in my channel. So please stay tuned for that. And also I'll be sharing lots of interesting vlogs related to my lifestyle. So tata, bye bye, love you.